Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x squared, you got about 2x. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we have number 2 in here. First derivative of negative number 1, you got about 0 because this one is about the constant. And we have dx. Next, because we don't have number 2 and number 2 in here, we can divide both sides by number 2. So we have du over number 2 equals to x plus 1 dx. So I will change this one into u. This one we change by this one. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, you got about u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. So this one we have u to the power of 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1, and we put about c. So we have number 4 and number 4. Number 2 and number 4 we have 1 over 8. This one we have u to the power of 4. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.